2020 BMW X7, the brake pads. Okay, we got them out already here. Okay, this side have the sensor. We unplug it from there. We unplug the sensor. Okay, and then this is the new pads. We put the sensor already here. This side facing the brake pad. Okay, now we're gonna put it back. I'm gonna show you how to take it off from the other side. Alright, this is how the way to take it out. So first we're gonna have to push this pad all the way, and we have to push this pad all the way for the spring to come out. And then we're gonna remove this pin out and this pin out. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Okay, let's start with one pad. It should be working with two hands. Here we go. It's moving. Okay. It's moving from the rotor, okay? Okay, this side is pushed. Now we're gonna try the other side. Here we go. And we gotta do it at the same time, so I'm gonna use two screwdrivers, one here and one here. Okay, I think this is enough space for this to come out. Now we're gonna push the pins out. To push those pins, I'm using this. I'm just gonna put it here and then hit it with the hammer. Okay. Okay, after we hit it from this side, it's open a little bit here and here. So now I'm gonna hold it with I usually use this. So what I do, I just hold it from here and I hit it with the hammer toward that side until it come out. Or in this case here is not really rusted, is coming out already. See, now it's out. Okay, then you pull both of them. This spring will fly away. Okay, so after taking the pins, both of them out, this will come out very easy now. Okay, we're gonna put it back. Now we just pull the pad out and we put the new ones. The new ones comes with this gluing thing. Okay, so we're just gonna slide them right there. Now we're gonna put this back. There we go. And we start with this one. I have to use two hand butts. There we go. First one is in. Now we're gonna do the second one. Okay, after putting this back, the pins, we're just gonna hit them here and here to go in. And that's all what it is for the brake pads for the 2020 BMW X7. After we finish the brake pads, we have to do a reset. So we plug the machine in and we choose the brake. We're just gonna hit reset, continue. Above 80%, yes. We're gonna wait. Okay, now the brake pads are reset. Once you start driving, they're gonna calculate and put it on wherever it's needed. Oil change 92%, it's been reset already. Exhaust emission deactivated. Vehicle inspection deactivated. So vehicle check, brake fluid is good, all good. All right, that's all what it is.